Hi, this is Saif. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about something else, that is how to gain weight or lose weight. What is the healthiest way to gain weight? Today I'm going to talk about that. So let's get started. So gaining weight and losing weight, these two are really tough in these days because the main part is your diet. That is the main thing you have to concentrate on, because when you are having a good diet, then you can maintain a healthy body weight. That is the main thing you should do. If you are following any models or anyone like they're in the fitness industries, don't try to always copy them, because you are seeing them in a minimum time. You're not seeing them in 24 hours. So in that photo shoot or in that video, you are seeing that guy or a woman that is really slim or has really muscular figure. So don't try to copy their diet every day, because they are doing that in a certain time, for the certain time, to just show you that what they can do. In reality, you have to maintain your healthy body weight if you want to be healthy. So today I'm going to talk about that. So first of all, you need to know what is your BMI. BMI stands for Body Metabolism Index. In this calculator, I'm just going to give the link in the description. You should go and check your BMI. So this is a grade that you need to know if you are underweight, you are in a healthy weight, or you are overweight. So you need to know that first. So there are people who will मुझे आके बोलते हैं यार भाई मुझे 10 किलो कमाना है, मुझे 10 किलो बढ़ाना है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You need to know what is your healthy weight. You need to maintain that. It's not about just gaining pounds or losing pounds. You need to be in a healthy state. So first of all, you need to go and check your BMI. I will just give the link in the description. If it is under 18, that means you are underweight. If it is above 18, like 19 to 24, you are okay. You are in a healthy weight. If it is above 25 to 29, you are overweight. And it is even plus 30, that is you are in an obesity stage. So in that case, you really need to hit the gym and get on your diet. After that, you need to know your BMR. BMR means basal metabolic rate. In this rate, what is BMR? Let me just describe that. BMR is the calories that you intake every day to maintain a proper body function. That is called BMR. So if your BMR is like 1500, that means you have to eat 1500 kilocalories of food every single day to maintain that normal function of your body. If you want to gain weight, you have to just eat more than that. If you want to lose weight, you just have to eat less than that. I will just give the formula over here, so you can just check it out. For the women there is another formula, and for men there is another formula. So after knowing your healthy weight, then you can eat. This is the main part. If you have to know first that what you have to eat. So first of all, there is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is the fuel of our body. You need carbohydrates. You absolutely do. So what kind of carbohydrates you should take? Well, you should take always the complex carbs, because complex carbs stays in your body. It doesn't get that much of instant fat in your body, like potatoes, brown rice, brown breads. These are really healthy. If you go for maida, luchi, torkari, so that type of kachuri, so that type of food is simple carbs. They just go in your body. They don't give that much of energy. Just get yourself full up, and it just get your belly fat on. So remember that, choose your carbs wisely. So having carbs, like if you want to gain weight, first know your BMR. After knowing that, carbs has a good amount of calories, like 200 grams of potatoes have around 100 grams of calories or more than that. So you can have those potatoes, rice and everything like that. The carbohydrates will gain your weight much faster. Don't go for any supplements for the beginners, I'm telling you. Just eat food, natural, real food. If you eat food, you will gain faster. I didn't know that. After like working out and in the gym and getting knowledge from outside, just a year ago I just learned that yes, you should eat food, not supplements, because I used to take a lot of supplements. I have done many experiments on myself, but I didn't gain any weight. In the last few years I got 10 kilos higher than the previous. Now I am 60. So think that I was 50 at that time, just of eating food. So I am recommending you guys eat natural food. So carbohydrate is your first thing you should eat. You can have like around 300 grams of carbohydrates. There are many apps in the market, so download any app and just calculate your carbs. So that way you will manage the amount of carbs you are eating, and have carbs every time. If you are gaining weight, if you are losing weight, cut the carbs. You should take less carbohydrate when you are losing weight. This is the main funda. So if you are losing weight, like you can have around 100 to 200 grams of carbs according to your body weight, your height, your age, everything. That's why I told you need to check your BMR and your BMI. After that, you need carbohydrate is gone. Okay. Next is protein. Protein is the main thing that builds your muscles. So you need protein. If you are gaining weight, you need protein. If you are losing weight, you still need the same amount of protein, because protein makes your muscles grow and loses your fat at the same time. This is what protein do. So protein is really necessary. Go for chicken, go for eggs, go for any kind of vegetables that have protein in it. Then you can just go for beef, mutton, anything you want. Just have protein in your diet. You should consume 1 gram of protein per kg of your body weight. If you want to gain muscle, you need 2 grams of protein according to your body weight. Means 2 grams of protein per kg of body weight. This way you can maintain or you can grow your muscles, and you can just cut the fat at the same time. So protein is needed in gaining weight and as well as losing weight. Well, next is fats. Don't freak out. Fats are really good for you. Yes, you need fats. You need the good fats. Where we can find the good fats? The good fats are in our food, not in those chorbis like the muttons or anything. Not that kind of fat. You need the fat that is really good for your heart. That is nuts. Have nuts, any kind of nuts, walnuts, almonds, kaju, not kismis, pista, any kind of nuts you can have. Eat them. It will gain your weight and it will help you to maintain your heart health. Because if you are losing weight, that means you are already overweight. So you can have heart problems. So when you are really overweight or you have obesity, you can have nuts also. Just keep in mind, you need to have a little bit of nuts, not more than 3 or 4 almonds or 3 or 4 kajus. It is really okay. But if you take too much of fats, it will really not be healthy for you, not healthy for anyone. If you are gaining muscle, gaining weight, have those in your snacks, have that in your shakes, anything. Nuts are really good, and it has, as I told you, it is really good for your heart. So these are the foods that you should consume at an amount that your body can grow or your body can lose that weight. So it depends on the BMR and the BMI. First, list it out that what is your BMR and BMI, then go for the diet. First of all, you need to know, that is my work, that is my job, to create that awareness that everyone should know what their body should look like. Because I know there are many guys who just, even I was like that. I was to see Hrithik Roshan and I used to think that yes, I need the abs like that. So I just get off the carbs, I just remove the carbs on and just go on the gym and do some crunches, leg raises and everything. But it didn't happen. So in that time I had that question mark, why? Then I studied every day, talked to people who know about this. Then I come to know that there are formulas, because our bodies are also machines. So there are formulas. If we follow that formulas, then we can be as healthy as we can. Obviously follow those actors, actress, or any influencer that is in your life. Obviously follow that, but do not try to copy them. They don't say that copy us. They say that do what we are saying, but first of all you need to know yourself. That is the main thing. That's why I'm just doing this video, just to create that awareness. Next time I will talk about the foods that you should have when gaining weight, and I will talk about the foods you should have for losing weight. I will just go and describe everything. So guys, tell me your BMR and BMI in the comment, and I will tell you how much calories you should take. Okay, how much calories you should consume, or how much calories you should not take according to your BMR and BMI. In that way you will get a understanding about yourself, that this much calories should. If I'm just giving you an example, like mine was 1546. So if I have to gain weight, I need to take 2000 plus calories. I can take more than that. It depends on the time period that I need to gain weight. Like if I want to gain 5 kilos in 1 month, then I have to take more calories. If I want to gain 2 kilos in 1 month, then I have to get less calories. This is the main thing. So comment it down below. I will happy to answer over there. Best of luck. Stay fit, stay healthy.